Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping. If you order it now, you'll have this in no time. Hope everyone had a good day so far today. Everybody is staying home, staying safe. And we'll get through this in no time. But in the meantime, you guys can check these guys out and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But like I said, if you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link and check them out. Ooh, I like this. Alright, this is gonna be a two-parter. Separate video coming up after this. Edifier, oh, these are nice. USB stream audio G2000 gaming speakers. Excellent for the time now we have at home. All you Twitchers out there, this will be a perfect one to get. 2.75 full inch range unit, 16 watt RMS power output, 12 light effects. Oh, sweet. So it has RGB lighting, music, game, movie, surround sound mode, supported Bluetooth, USB, sound card. Oh, bonus. Pretty heavy though, but this is a nice package. Definitely, I like how this company presents itself. Really nice looking, great colors. Got the hollow foil embroidered right there. Really sweet. Bluetooth. All right, let's crack this open, guys. Definitely excited to show you this. And yes, we'll do a sound test. We'll use one of them YouTube music to do a test on, since that's not copyrighted, so we could do that. But for movies and stuff, you're gonna have to try it on your own. But for sound, I'm also gonna post for music on my Instagram, so if you guys want to hear what the music sounds like. But we'll just do a test too, so either or. Ooh. Not a good rip right there, dang. You never know. Come on. Don't be shy. Come on out. Let's let it breathe. It's gotta breathe sometimes, guys. Don't panic. It'll be alright. But definitely take advantage of these guys' sales they got going on. Got the manual. I don't think we're gonna need it. I got the power source right here. Should be easy one to install. But you can use your Bluetooth for your phone, put in your man cave for your workouts or your gym, your home gym now, since a lot of guys are doing it. I got a mini one downstairs, so I might use this downstairs, but we'll test it on my computer and everything in a little bit once we hop over to that room. We got the this is surround sound, USB cable. We got the audio outputs, USB. We're gonna need one of those at least. But like I said, you could hook it up Bluetooth, but we'll do USB today. See how it sounds on the computer. Oh boy, oh boy. Alright. Oh boy. Okay, pull it out. There we go. Ooh, these look really nice. Nice, sleek design. Yeah. Buy yourself one, buy somebody else one for Christmas. Housewarming gift. Boom. Get your own surround sound for under $100. But it's all good, guys. One of the best deals on Amazon right now are these, so try and find good deals on your home audio. This is a good way to go until that big check comes in from the president, you know. But like I said, for like a gym, for your home gym, these would be excellent for downstairs or your garage or wherever you guys do it now. But These are definitely, look at this, the cable. Excellent. So, well taken care of. Like I said, sleek design. Got the RGBs or LEDs. Clean up the mess a little bit. Gonna show you guys something. Whew. And then look at this. Let's see if I got it. There we go. They're not too heavy. Bada boom. Got that bass. I'm definitely excited to hear these, how they sound. Edifier G2000. Future is here. Interesting future though, that is for sure. Might slide up on the sides right here, probably. Got that groove, but look how these are really nice, sleek style. For you hip hoppers, this would be a nice one to have when recording music. Here's the side on Bluetooth. Can't read that one. Or no, that's like, I think these are the lights down here, and these are the power, and this is something. We'll figure out once I turn it on and give it a test run. So, YouTube magic, teleport to the other room. Alrighty guys, I am back. We got the Edifier Bluetooth G2000 gaming speakers set up. I got Pippin holding it down. Look at this. We got side control. Take a look at these. I got the RGBs in the back also. This is a volume right here. That's all the way up.
Music mode. Game mode.
See different.
Movie mode.
Movie mode.
Music mode.
Music mode. That's what it looks like. Like I said, I just did it USB right now. It sounds amazing. Especially for this price. We're going to do a little test run. We got the YouTube free music going in the background. Right here. Take a listen. Really good bass also. Definitely guys pick these up before they sell out. Bass is really good. Especially you can feel it. I don't know if you can see it, but you can feel it. have the real music on my Instagram if you guys want to check that out. Link is above in the banner section, and take a listen. But to me, these sounds really good. Could use for multiple things, for music, hip hop recording. You could do music recording, pretty much anything on these. Great for watching the games on, playing video games. So check them out. Link is down below. Be safe. Have a good one. See you soon.